Hello everyone and welcome to another trade with the day Trader Survivor. As we're about to start the new trading day, you can see ATVI looking good for short. I just entered. Okay. So I'm looking for a bigger side because right now it's about $1 risk, which is not a risk that I thought of. I thought about 25 cents. So I just set up the command to sell another 230 shares at 54.97, so just below the 55. Let's see if we can get it or not. Now the stop will be 55.25. Now I'm continuing with the aggressive handling. So I will try to do whatever I can to make sure that I'm losing as little as I can. So I'm about to move my stop to be just got it now. Okay, not yet. I'm moving my stop to be, I just got everything. I'm moving a stop to be on the 55.12. And I'm setting partial one to be on 54.64. So just below the 30 cents. That's a huge movement. That's the amazing one. Oh, and we gotta recover. Okay. I don't like this candle. Okay, I will move my stop to be like 4 cents above. So just to make sure that I'm above the VWAP. Still below my original stop, which is 25. Okay. It's testing. Let's see what will happen here. The market is going short as well, so hopefully both of them can support each other and I will make some money here. If not, I will try to lose as little as I can. Again, that's the concept. I don't care if I'm going to make money as long as I'm losing as little as I can. Okay, we just 4 cents, 3 cents for my stop. If it's going to crash below the 55, I have a chance. If it's going to pass the VWAP, so if it's going to touch my stop, I'm guessing it's going to jump and it can reach the 55.50 and above. So I don't want to be there. Now remember, this stock is right now 2% up. Now, what I'm seeing on the graph is it's going to crash first. I don't know if I'm correct or not, but if I'm correct, should bring some money home. If I'm incorrect, I will try to lose just pennies. So right now it's about $50-$60 risk instead of 100, so it's better. Let's see where we are. Okay, 55. Leave the 55. You can see the volume is there. Okay, tested. Didn't left the 55 yet. So leaving the 55 meaning the candle will finish below the 55 and not like 3 cents. It should be better. Now it's looking better. I want to see that it's not passing the 55 again. Okay, some exchanging apparently have some problems today. We're getting some messages from Interactive telling us that. Come on, don't do that again. Not looking amazing. I want to see a huge crash, like 54.80. I don't see that yet. You can see that the stock is basically moving between 55.12.16 and 54.90.95. So it has to pass it in order to be relevant. Okay, starting to look better. 95, 94. So 91. Now the loss of the day was 82. We need to break this one to actually make money. 88, 85, 84, 83. Yeah, new low. Okay, so I'm moving my stop to be just above the reversal, so just a few cents above the 55. Can we get partial? Can we get partial? Come on. 74, 3, 2, 69. Just a little bit more push, just a little one. Yeah, we got partial one. Okay, that's good. Okay, now that the reason, not the reason, but rather that I got partial one does not mean that I need to be less aggressive. Okay, I cannot lose money today, that's correct, but it doesn't mean that I need to bring back whatever I got. Okay, so right now I will finish with $40 pretty much. It's not too bad, it's not too good, it just, it just is. I want to see if I can do something better. Right now I actually submitted partial 2 to be 54.26. It's looking far right now. I don't know if I'm going to get it or not, but that's kind of the goal to reach, and I will try to figure out where I can move my stop to be closer to where the stock is actually trade at. Some connectivity issue for some reason. Okay. Can you? Now we're always looking for a new low, but I'm looking at the recovery to see how big the recovery can be before it's making the chances to actually continue low. So you can see that right now the stock is trying to reach a new low, which was 42. It's right now on 47, 45, and it's testing again and again. We are looking at 5 minutes. So we got 40, a new low. We're looking at 5 minutes and we are 10:09 almost. So I'm guessing with this huge crash, I'm going to see some kind of recovery. I don't know when and how much, of course. But that's something that needs to be considered when I'm actually trading. So I'm going to get a recovery, but I don't want the recovery to reach 55. If it is, I'm done. Okay. Now the stock is fighting the pivot point. Now because we already passed the pivot point should be our friend and support us. So I'm trying to see if it ignored the pivot point. In that case, it can do full recover. Now I still have 2.5 minutes into this candle, so everything can happen. But right now I'm looking at 54.70, 75 as an interesting point. Now I'm not doing anything yet because I want to see how the stock is actually handling the pivot point. But that might be the new stop. Now I will be love to see the stock reaching the 54.25. I don't know if it can. Right now, this candle is showing me that it can. I got like 15 seconds before it's done. 5, 4, 3, 2. Yeah, this candle looks amazing. Now, based on this candle, it should crash and reach the 54.25, 26 that I set up. I don't know if it will or not. Right now, again, the 54.70, 75 looking as a new stop point, and it is looking interesting. Okay, I still don't see new low. So the low of the day was 54.40. I need to see a new low. You can see that buyers are kind of fighting, so the candle is starting to be shorter and shorter. They don't get too much, but it's still getting shorter. And one of the side should kind of give up soon. If it's going to be the sellers, then it's going to crash. Then it's going to jump. If it's going to be the buyers, it's going to crash. Just move my stop to be on the 54.70. So if it successfully crashed that point, actually reach my stop, I think it can get to the 55 and even above, and I don't want to be there. So statistically, meaning based on patterns and how it actually works, it looks like after the 70 that will be less chances for me to actually make more money. It not have to be true, but that's what I believe and that's what I will do. See that it's trying to pass the pivot point and build up. Okay, it still couldn't complete being above the pivot point. Now it did. Just a few seconds before the candle is ends. Now it's starting to look bad. Again, it might be a test. And it's testing the resistance. But above the 54.70, I don't want to be there. Okay, that's interesting. Now sellers are getting into the trade again. Let's see if there's any power and momentum to actually continue to the short position. Come on. That's looking better. That's looking better. Can you? Can you reach a new low? Can you? $47, $48. Come on, give me some volume. Show me the momentum. Come on. You can see the fight between 54.70 and 54.40. So 30 cents that both sides saying I'm not going below or above it. And we basically need to be patient and see which side will succeed in saying I don't care what you're thinking. Will it be the buyers or the sellers? You can see the buyers again coming back and saying, no, we're going to dictate and this stock is going long and I'm just out. That's looking like a really bad candle. Okay. So I finished the trade with 93, 94 bucks profit. Aggressive handling as I started to do a few days ago. And I will continue doing aggressive trading as much as I can. And you can see that after that point, there was a recovery and then the stock just pushed all the way to 56. So altogether, great handling. That's about all, guys. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video and subscribe.